Welcome to the Easter special. Today I've got an absolutely gorgeous and super simple Greek style dip, perfect for any time of the year, morning, noon, night, whatever. It is a spinach, feta, and artichoke dip, all done basically in one bowl. Throw it in the oven and you are absolutely golden. So, as always, first things first, to start us off, preheat your oven 350 degrees Fahrenheit or about 160 degrees Celsius. Get that off and going. For this, I'm using an 8x8 pan, which I've already pre-buttered, and butter makes everything better unless it's Greek olive oil. So to get us going, first things first, what I'm going to do is take my artichoke hearts, and for this I'm using about 12 ounces of artichoke hearts, or about a cup and a half, give or take. And all I'm going to do for these is very quickly and just cut them up, chop them up, nothing complicated at all. And you don't need any mad ninja knife skills for this. All you really need to do is just cut them up into smaller pieces, so that way you're not getting like this huge chunk of artichoke in your bite. So get this off and going, just like that. And bring our bowl back. And all I'm going to do is transfer now my chopped up artichokes into my bowl. And from here on in, this is where everything else is going to happen. So I have my bowl here. I'm going to take 300 grams of spinach that I get the frozen spinach, especially this time of year in Canada. Believe me, makes things a lot easier. I've got 2 cups of crumbled feta. Here's the thing. I'm going to take about a cup and put it in my bowl to mix it in, and I'm going to save the other cup to sprinkle it and crumble it on top. I've got 2 cloves of chopped garlic is going to go in here. This is already starting to smell fantastic, just these ingredients. I'm going to take a little bit of crumbled parmesan, pre-grated. I'm going to put that in, and I'm going to leave a little bit for the top as well. And lastly, I'm going to throw in 1 1/3 cups of strained Greek yogurt. And my friends, that is it for this recipe. This is a hit anytime. So all you're going to do, hand mix this, fold it in, and that's it. That's all there is to this recipe. Just make sure it's all evenly divided or evenly blended in your bowl. It's already starting to smell fantastic in here, and I haven't even baked the damn thing yet. Can you imagine what it's going to be like coming out of the oven? I'm going to take my pan that I'm going to bake this in, and simply just dump this whole thing in our pan and just spread it around evenly. That's all you need to do. Nothing complicated. This is only going to taste like it took like 3 days to make. So spread it nice and easy there. Perfect. 2 things. Number 1, I didn't put any salt in this at all because the feta and the cheeses will provide the saltiness. And number 2, I didn't add any olive oil. The olive oil is going to go at the end, right when we comes out of the oven and it's time to serve it. A little fresh Greek olive oil. You know what I'm talking about. So the last of our crumbled feta, about a cup or so, will go over this, just like that. Now tell me, who wouldn't want to enjoy this anytime? Just like that. Big chunks, small chunks, it really doesn't matter. Throw that in there. And a little bit of our grated parmesan. You could also use mizitra for this if you like, if you really want to kind of Greek it up. I love the flavor of parmesan, and I don't care who knows. 60 million Italians can't be wrong. If they say parmesan is good, I'm with them. Now, all that's left to do is throw this into our 350 degree oven for about 25 minutes, give or take, depending on your oven, and we'll be ready to go. Right out of the oven. I love it. I absolutely love it. My Spinach Feta and Artichoke dip is ready to go. One thing I didn't add, or what I think I didn't tell you was earlier, was after the 25-minute initial baking process, throw this under a broiler for about 3 to 5 minutes, just until enough to get this golden brown and delicious on top. You get some of that charring that we know and love. So, next thing, what I'm going to do is grab a little of my Greek extra virgin olive oil and just very lightly just drizzle it on top like that. You don't want a lot. You're looking at maybe a tablespoon, 2 tops. And it'll give you that extra oomph. Now, grab a little cracker and let's just see what's going on here. This is going to be hotter than sin, but I need something to throw. That is so freaking delicious. I can't tell you. The sharp and tanginess of the feta with the Greek yogurt, the spinach, the artichokes kind of giving you a little bit of a body there. The parmesan just freshens it right up. Absolutely perfect. And I will put that against any restaurant dip of this kind you can find anywhere. This is actually better than the restaurants. I invite you to try this. So easy to make. You throw everything in a bowl, bake it off, broil it, and you are done. Bobby's your uncle. So that's it for this episode on my spinach feta and artichoke dip, the Greek style version. Super delicious, super easy to make. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. Check me out online as well at kensgreektable.com. And until next time, my friends, I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.